Top 10 Urban Climbers. Number 10. Urban Endeavors. Urban Endeavors is an anonymous urban climber from Russia. His most notable climb is his 475-meter TV tower climb. Number 9. Flavio Stern. Flavio Stern is from Romania. His best climb is the Patisi chimney climb. Number 8. Michie Labor. Michie Labor is an urban climber and freerunner from Germany. Michie has climbed many cool structures like cranes and tall buildings. He makes lots of videos that are high quality. Number 7. Crazy Russians. Crazy Russians is an urban climbing group based in Russia. They are affiliated with Mustang Wanted, one of the most famous urban climbers. Number 6. Pavel Smirnova. Pavel is an urban climber residing in Turkey. Pavel has climbed many tall structures in Turkey and has done some insane stunts. Number 5. Graveyard Kids. Graveyard Kids is an urban climbing group based in Germany. Their best climb was a 363-meter radio tower, where they got an awesome view of Donnerbach, Germany. Number 4. Oleg Cricket. Oleg Cricket is one of the most brave and insane urban climbers in the world. He rode a hoverboard on the side of a skyscraper. He also let his friend dangle him off the side of another skyscraper. Number 3. Mustang Wanted. Mustang Wanted is a popular urban climber from Ukraine. He has climbed dozens of scary structures in Ukraine and Russia. He also does insane stunts on top of these structures. During the Russia-Ukraine conflict, Mustang Wanted went to Russia and painted one of the Kremlin stars blue and yellow, which are the colors of the Ukrainian flag. Number 2. James Kingston. James Kingston is a very popular urban climber who is from Southampton, United Kingdom. James first rose to fame when he uploaded his Southampton crane climb video to YouTube, which received millions of views. James has climbed many amazing structures, most notably the Eiffel Tower. Number 1. On the Roofs. On the Roofs are the kings of urban climbing. They come from Russia and have made some of the best urban climbing videos ever. On the Roofs made a video showing them climb the second tallest building in the world, the Shanghai Tower, which has more than 50 million views. The video shows them climbing the tower while it's under construction. There was a huge crane on top of the tower and they climbed that too.